Whiter teeth are possible with the V-Beauty Premium At-Home Teeth Whitening Kit. 5 powerful LED bulbs accelerate the teeth whitener gel to break up and dissolve stubborn stains caused by food, wine, smoking, and aging. The one-size-fits-all mouth tray snaps on and off the LED light easily for easy cleaning. The V-Beauty kit features dentist-grade carbamide polymer gel whitener in pre-mixed mess-free syringes. The integrated 10-minute timer allows time to relax or do other tasks while teeth whiten effortlessly. So forget about expensive and painful trips to the dentist for teeth whitening. The remineralizing gel is to strengthen tooth enamel and deter tooth sensitivity. Whiten effortlessly from the comfort of your home with the V-Beauty Whitening Kit.
This is the Cali White Teeth Whitening System. When you open up your kit, you'll see an instruction pamphlet. I'm going to take you through that. When you open up your kit, you'll see you have the option of 2 mouth trays. You have the thermoform trays, which you boil in water and you form to your bite. Or you have the Universal Comfort Fit, which is patented exclusively for Cali White, fits comfortably to your bite, and features 4 breathing vents so you can breathe while you whiten. In order for your whitening light to work, you need to open the back of the light and remove the plastic tab that you'll find between the batteries and the device. If you went with the Universal Comfort Fit tray, it fits directly onto your light. If you chose the thermoform trays, you place the trays in your mouth and then you rest the light directly on the trays. There's 5 treatments in each whitening applicator. Each treatment is 1 milliliter. You use half a milliliter on the top of your tray and half a milliliter on the bottom. Insert the tray into your mouth and firmly press the button to activate the light. The light will automatically turn off at the end of your 10-minute treatment. After whitening, brush and floss your teeth, then clean and rinse your tray and store in your Cali White case.
Aqua Home Group's Teeth Whitening Kit is the ultimate answer for maintaining a pure and healthy smile. The kits are an effective solution for removing coffee, tea, and smoking stains, giving you noticeable results after only 1 treatment. A unique combination of the activated charcoal toothpaste with whitening gel and blue LED light makes a great pain-free solution for sensitive teeth. This powerful formula works to remove plaque and improve enamel health. No molding is required. It's designed to provide comfort for all. 100% safe and effective, this teeth whitening kit is perfect for the whole family. To use, simply rinse the medical-grade mouth tray and apply 1.5 milliliters or half a syringe of whitening gel and attach it to the LED light. Insert the tray into your mouth, pressing firmly against your teeth. And lastly, turn the blue LED light on and wait for 30 minutes. For a full whitening course, repeat this process for 6 days. The LED light accelerates the whitening process and automatically turns off, giving you peace of mind. It's the perfect excuse to catch up with chores or take the time to relax. The kit can also be reused simply by purchasing another syringe gel. Enjoy professional results from the comfort of your own home with Aqua Home Group's Teeth Whitening Kit.